Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to check Snapchat version on Android phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to check the version of Snapchat on your Android device, you will be required to open the settings of your phone and not the Snapchat app itself. Now in order to proceed from over here, scroll down until you can find the apps on your device settings. You can see just above the location, tap on apps, and over here tap on app management at the top of the screen, and you'll be on this interface. And again at the search bar, tap over there and type in Snapchat, and then when the Snapchat appears, guys, tap on it and you will land on this page where you can see the guys Snapchat version at the top of the screen. And this way you will be able to check your Snapchat version on your phone. And guys, this is how to check Snapchat version on your Android phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.